Someone said, do you fake your hiccups? Bitch, I wish I faked my hiccups because I probably have some underlying disease and this is a symptom of having hiccups. You think I want a hiccup like this? Like, you think I want to be this way? What the fuck? I probably have like literally like gingivitis in my stomach or something. I don't know. That's crazy. What, fake my hiccups? You think I want to be this way? I came out the womb like this. Okay, yes, I know gingivitis is a gum disease, but it was the first thing I thought of.